Hi everybody, Nem here. And what I've got on my bench right now is my latest bit of Fabricated project, a custom-made blower fan for a Tech 2465 oscilloscope. This started out as an old 80 by 25 millimeter Dell server fan, like this one. Only I've, through the magic of shade tree lathe work with a drill and some epoxy abuse, and turned it into this squirrel cage fan that you see here. Now the nice thing about this is it's actually got an external thermal sensor right here. So this is actually closed loop thermal controlled, just like the original one in the 2465. Here you can see it ramping up, cooling back down to idle. Ramping up, slowing back down to idle. Next, of course, is to actually install it in a 2465 and see how it works. Cheers. Hope you have a great tea.